How we starting the YouTube channel off, Ashley?
In my life.
And why is that?
Because I work too much.
And what do you do?
Get people drunk all day.
So you're a bartender?
You can call me a bartender.
And tell me one of your craziest stories as a bartender.
I watched a girl throw open a cup one time and drink it because she was so drunk.
Oh my God.
Restaurants. And you know, if you're like in the same area, they know, you know, like that person isn't tip or that person's not good or that person's needy, stuff like that. So you don't get no service in the whole area.
Yeah, because you basically give yourself that reputation, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I think, I'm not gonna say who, but I know we have people in here that they always have like over $100 tabs, and they never tip. They never tip. You have to like put gratuity on their tab, or ask the manager to put gratuity on their tab, just so you can get tipped. Especially at a place where they tip out people. You know what I mean? If we tip out 4 people at the end of the night, that means like my first hour, 2 hours of working is not even for me. It's for the restaurant. So.